Today we have a video from Red Zone Watch, and the title of the video is Officers Pull Unconscious Woman from Burning Car Just Seconds Before Explosion.
On a highway, two vehicles crashed into each other without warning, briefly interrupting traffic flow. No additional information was provided, and this statement fully describes the entire incident as reported.
Need rescue 1018. Vehicles heading northbound into southbound traffic. Vehicles on fire. There's out of ease! Bam! Get her out. Fuck. Fuck. Get out, get out, get out! Get out! Hold on, slow down, slow down. I don't know where she's at, I don't know how she is. Vehicle stop, I have one white female unconscious. Drag, 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 drag! Anybody else in the car? Go, go, go! Go! Okay, go, go, go. Put it down, put it down, put it down. I got airway. Hold her. I got airway. Hey, hey, hey. White female unconscious, but breathing agonal. Ma'am, ma'am.
We need the traffic northbound now. We need patrol units coming up from the north. Shut it off that thing.
I don't know who else.
That other truck is involved. No, that's I was just
Were you in? Did you get hit?
No.
Okay.
I stopped. What about that other car? Wait, what about that other car? That other car, I think he stopped. That's that guy in the black shirt.
Ma'am. Hey. Can you hear me? Ma'am.
There we
Okay.
go. If you can assess.
Yeah, if you can assess, if you can come on this side.
Hey, can you hear me?
Hey, can you hear us? Okay, there we go. Hey.
Okay, you're good.
Hey.
You're good. Wake up. Hey. Hey. It's just two people on that car.
Where's she at? Where's our 1015?
She's with Benashak. What's that?
We have a 1015.
Yeah, Benashak's with her.
Benashak's with her?
Yes.
Okay. All I hear is fucking a pole and then.
EMS? I work for the fire department. I'm on.
First vehicle is going to be on a Hyundai Elantra 4-3 Charles George Adam Sam. Second vehicle involved is going to be a Toyota 4Runner Ida William Tom Queen 6'9". Is there anything else? Was it just these two? I don't know anybody. I don't know about those vehicles over there.
Just keep an eye on that carotid pulse since you're holding C-spine.
So essentially what ended up happening, we went 10-15 right there at America's Best Value. We started hearing a car just ripping. Hits a pole over at Taco Bell. At that point, I started hearing everything and I started running over here. Found it there.
Do we have an extinguisher for the car?
No. Well,
No?
we do, but
In the back?
it ain't gonna be much. So I literally booked it from over there to over here. I cut the seatbelt off of her, we dragged her out, and we brought her here. We got another one?
Is she breathing?
Oh, yeah.
Not really. She's not breathing.
I don't know where you're going.
If anyone got hit, glad it's you. Response to the pain. She's like moaning.
I haven't done a sternum or anything like that on her.
Big head injuries? I don't know.
Let you get all that stuff.
See, and people talk about defund the police. Man, these guys are really heroes, man. This reminds me so much of, you know, corrections in a way, right? Where you're all people that work these jobs are trained to go to the problem, regardless of your fear or not, right? We're all human. You see fire like that, it's hot. That area is hot. You're sweating. But you can't run from that, right? A regular person, they see danger, they run from that. They run away the opposite way. These guys have an obligation. They have to run to the problem. Same in corrections. Maybe you see 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 inmates fighting, stabbing up each other. You can't be like the other inmates and run away from the problem and stand on the outskirts. No, you have to run to the problem. To the problem, to the danger. This is, man, are there some bad apples? Of course, there is bad apples in every job field. In every job field. But for the vast majority, man, you have to run to the problem and face your fears head on. Who the hell want to be near that burning car? Who the hell want to be? That car could explode any minute. You don't know when it's going to, but you see a body in there and you have to go get it. Quick. Wow.
Where was this car at?
Do you have a 1015?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta go.
I know we do.
That's also, you probably forgot. Go ahead.
Mike's with her right now, but yeah. Hey Kyle, just stand by for a second. We got a warrant in the back of our car right now, so So we're gonna be heading out. If anything, we'll be done soon. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we're going right now. I just said stay here so I go talk to Stoll so we can leave.
Yeah, but he walked in. He's right there. He's like, I was home C-spine with the victim.
I don't know if he's aware that we got a warrant. We got a warrant right now in the car from that call. We got a warrant in the car right now from that call that we were just at.
Is anybody with it?
Yeah, Mike.
All right, well, go take care of that.
All right. Were you all in this car?
These two were.
Okay.
Nobody else.
Are you injured?
Oh my God, yes. Don't have anything. I can't stop blood in my leg, but I don't know.
Hold on. What the fuck? Okay. We need you to take a seat, ma'am. Can you? Are you able to sit in the grass?
Okay? Right here in the grass.
We'll hold this for you. We'll hold this for you.
Right here with you. Don't worry about the person, okay? Just have a seat. Have a seat.
I
I've
want
got
to
you.
call my family.
Okay, we'll call them. We'll call them, okay?
Take
a seat.
Where's your phone?
Right here with you.
It should be that.
It's
no,
not.
It's not.
It's not in your bag.
You have it. Oh, baby, you're breathing. You're breathing here.
Deep breaths. Deep breaths. You're all right.
That's fine. That's fine.
Let me show my phone.
Where's her phone? Does she have her phone in her bag?
No, it's in her house charging.
If you can, but if you can start with getting information for tows, since this is my zone, I'll start doing all the paperwork for the cars and stuff. Do you know how to do tows on your computer? Yeah. Okay. Can you please, sir, get your license or your registration and insurance out of this car? I don't know what my shit is, bro. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna write it down. Right here.
We're taking a U-turn here to go to McDonald's, and I see the light of the vehicle just like it blankly in. I thought it was a bicycle, and then when I see it went over the sidewalk over there, and then I looked at her and I said, "Holy shit, accelerate!" Because like I saw the car coming this way, so she tried to go, and then the car like did 4 thirds, like, and then when you stop here.
I don't know, but we've got rescue on the way to come take a look at her, okay?
Oh, my car again!
Cars. This is gonna be a traffic call out, so no cars are gonna be towed for a long time.
Okay.
All right. Nobody in there.
No, it's empty. We pulled out. Do you have your driver's license on you?
I already gave it to her.
Okay. I'm gonna take this since it's my zone, so I'll take all the paperwork and everything on it. Well, it sounds like traffic's being called out, the sergeant says, so we're not doing any tolls or anything, so really at this point. Ma'am, it's gonna get really hot here. Can we have you guys start walking down over that way? We need to get you away from here. We'll get you tons of pictures, okay? Yep. Up, over here, sir. Over here. Keep going. Keep coming, keep coming.
I don't know. So what happened? Was that like a chase? What was going on?
No, we don't know. I mean, she's at the hospital now. I'm gonna assume with how fast, because I can kind of get a sense of how fast she was driving, because we were
fast as fuck.
I was pulling out of that hotel because we were on a call for service there, and you could hear it. And then as soon as we looked over, that car probably went from Taco Bell where it came into view past here probably in less than half a second.
Yeah, yeah.
So, I mean, it was probably going like somebody said, like 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, I think it was going at least 100. It was really fast. Like I even told her, I was like trying to get out of the way, but then when it was like a split of a second and boom,
yeah,
on the back.
Appreciate your help. Did you guys get already looked at by fire EMS? No. Do you believe you need to, or is? Yeah.
I mean, we should, bro. Like shit like this.
Because I can call an ambulance back here to come and check on you, or you guys can go and get checked on. The hospital's literally right down the road.
Where am I gonna go?
Or my brother, maybe?
Yeah, maybe if her brother's coming, but like.
So should I just call an ambulance out here to check you out real quick?
I mean, in situations like this, how would you handle it?
Well, we would always recommend people get checked out, especially with the type of collision that occurred. Okay, what they're going to do is they're going to.
He just gave you the options, man. Come on, man. You want him to call the ambulance, or are you going to go take care of it yourself? You get in a car accident, you always go get checked out. Duh. Like, come on, man. Act like, come on, man.
Here, they're going to check your vitals and stuff. They're going to ask you, do you want to go to the hospital?
I mean, with something like this, we should. The insurance should cover everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, let's do it.
Did it hit a car? Or did it hit the corner?
I don't know. After it hit that over there, we stopped, and we couldn't. And by the time it came across this corner and it came directly at us, it hit us on our front end, and we were trying to get out of the way, but I just couldn't get in gear fast enough to get out of the way. And they ran into our front end right there and just trashed the front end.
So it hit something over that way and came over this way.
Yeah, let me get out and I'll point to you. Here, talk to me. Okay, so there where that white car is, I think it hit that white car.
Okay, and then it bounced over here.
It took down some kind of sign or a big pole over there, but I don't know what. I mean, that dude was flying. He'd be doing over 100 miles an hour.
Okay.
And I saw him jump the curb, come through. You can see where the debris is. He came across and then come through here. But when I saw him coming, I thought it was a motorcycle. I was like, he's fixing to have a wreck. And then he hit that, came across here, and then hit us.
Okay. All right.
We're on vacation. We're in damn Texas. Oh, damn.
I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah, well, this adds to the week.
Why don't you just hang out in your car until then? Sir, you mind just hanging out in your car?
Yeah, that's fine.
And then we'll get your information, okay?
I'll talk to my wife.
Can you call 988 back?
Yeah, this is man, it's an unfortunate situation. But yeah, like I was saying, man, these guys, they're actually dealing with they have another suspect apprehended in the back of the car and stuff, and then you got to deal with this, and you run into the scene and everything, and it's like, man, it's so much going on. And I understand that one guy being frustrated about his car, because that's the worst thing. It's like, yeah, somebody's insurance may pay for it if they have insurance, but now you gotta go get a rental and everything. It's just a hassle. It's just getting into a car accident is just horrible, man, horrible. Like, it's so much that's got to be done, and then you got to go start looking for a new car and everything. Like, it's just because some of them cars, you know, if your car is totaled or whatever, like, it's just. And then if the person doesn't have insurance, oh, you're screwed, man. You are screwed. If you get into an accident, the person that hits you, you better pray that they have insurance. And I literally mean pray, because there's so many people out here that are driving on the roads that shouldn't be, that do not have insurance. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.